Dear Mom and Dad, the day starts early here in school. There is something magical about mornings at LKSEC. Nothing like waking up and getting some fresh air and exercise. We rush to the dorms after PT. The 10th graders have rooms designed for peace and quiet so that they can concentrate on their studies. Our rooms are more spacious and all my friends are here. We have half an hour before breakfast and then head to the assembly where we get news updates and a speech from the principal to inspire us before we start the day. He explained how with hard work so many of our alumni had not only excelled academically but in life. Today we are an army of 1,700 students eager to get out into the world with great ideas and passion. Class starts by 9 a.m. The teaching style is so unique because teachers welcome questions and that makes it easy to understand different subjects. There are interactive classrooms and we are being taught how great minds think differently. How it's not only necessary to understand what's in our books, but also to think and experiment for ourselves. Of course, the state-of-the-art labs help with that. After class, we have a few hours to study before my most favorite part of the day, the extracurricular time. I'm inclined towards music and we've been working with the theatre and dance team to put up a new play. I have a really great friend in Amy who is in the play. She is here on exchange from London and is so talented. Besides learning dance, she is also teaching us some of the dance moves that she learned back home. It is really nice how everybody here is like family. With our music and her dance, the fusion of cultures leads to quite a performance. She and I are also working on our badminton skills and we may play an inter-school tournament soon. When we get time, we like exploring the 250-acre campus because there is so much to do here. From go-karting to basketball to tennis, and I can go on and on. Everyone catches up at the dining hall a short while later to discuss the day's happenings over delicious food. The food here is so yummy that I had to find out why. The staff is really friendly and one of the cooks tells me that most of the produce is coming from the farms on campus. We even have our own cow sheds where nearly 1,000 liters of milk is extracted every day. The food is so fresh that I don't miss the food at home. Did I mention we have our own bakery as well? We had a bonfire the other night at Mr. and Mrs. Arora's residence. Mr. Arora and Mrs. Arora are the president and vice president of the school and they were singing with us till late evening. Mrs. Arora prides herself in taking personal attention to ensure all of us are happy and progressing well in school. She plans to bring more facilities to help us prepare for any career that we could imagine. Because we are always busy getting to follow our dreams and more than anything, having lots of fun doing it. I know you're missing me and I miss you too, but you should be happy to know that I am well. I feel like at LKSEC, anything is possible and the sky is the limit. Love you, Mom. Love you, Dad.